Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Cannot believe it. Happy Christmas Eve, because it's Christmas Eve for you. It's 2 days from Christmas for me. And yeah, it's a good day. These are the earrings I'm wearing. Believe it or not, these came from Walmart a while ago. Aren't they cute? I love the little tassel-y feature. And the beaded, they're pretty good quality. They had tons of beaded earrings a couple months ago. Obviously, Evan's playing the game. Yeah, but I'm gonna go to Walmart like a crazy person because I haven't been shopping for any food for the past couple days, and we need to, so I'm gonna show you my precious pig. And then, so tonight's gonna be fun. We're going to the Chinese Lantern Festival. Say hi, Bubba. Say hi. Oh, big stretch. He absolutely loves hanging out by the window, but I covered him up some because I'm afraid he's gonna get sun poisoning again. Yeah, that pig could literally sleep all day. My outfit today, so this sweater I really like. I found it at Target. It's Universal Threads, and it's just a really good, it's really good material. I just like it a lot. I can tell it's not gonna pill at all. And it's got really cool exposed hemlines and stuff. And then these jeans. So these jeans are also Target, and I just cut them off. They are really high-waisted, as you can see. Then these shoes are from a store called Gabe's, and I just adore them. This jacket is also Target. It's not super warm though, so I need to go out and come back before I freeze my little tail off. Okay, let's go. So I'm back, I'm home. I am so tired. There's something about being at the store during this time of year that is so stinking draining, right? Like, I'm so tired. And I've been sitting in the car for like 10 minutes, maybe more, just trying to work up the nerve to unload the groceries and take them inside. Evan's here. He could help me. He probably will. But I'm just like zonked. And I still need to wrap things. So it's 4 o'clock, 4:08. And I am excited for tonight. But I forgot to tell you this earlier. So I didn't really sleep last night because Samson started crying early in the morning. And I usually am like in and out of sleep throughout the night. But really early in the morning he started crying. And I should have noticed that it was like a different kind of cry than just like, oh, are you awake? I'm awake. Which is what he usually does. Shout out to all the pig people who know what I mean. But so he starts crying and I'm like, just be strong, you know, it's okay. He's got to work it out. Don't go in there. He's fine. But I should have noticed because he uses different sounds for different things, that he was honestly a little bit in distress and he needed to use the bathroom, and he had an accident in the room because he was like, Ma, I gotta pee. Like, would you please let me out? And so when 6:30 came around and I went in there, there was a huge mess to clean up, and I was like, oh. And so I cleaned it up, and I had been up for what, like an hour at that point, because he had been up that long, and he was just finally quiet because I guess he couldn't hold it any longer, poor baby. I feel so bad. So now I think I'm going to have to start getting up a little bit earlier. Or number one, last night I didn't make him use the bathroom before bed, and I should have. So I'm going to have to make him do that. And then if he cries like that, because it's different early in the morning, I just need to take him straight outside and not to play, because he's like, oh, we're awake? Oh, okay. Anyway, enough blabbing about that. Let's unload these groceries. Here we go. Guys, I did my nails. They're almost done. I'll show you. I do my nails at home, and right now they just look I didn't cut my cuticles, so that part looks raunchy, but the nails themselves will look really good when I'm done. I need lotion. But yeah, I do them at home, and when I'm totally done with them, they'll look like a gel manicure. I have this stuff I put on top of the polish. I use Orly polish that just looks really good. So that's what I do. Let's go in. Let's go inside. Here we go. Does anybody know what song this is? I am not a fan.
Could you hurry, sir?
How did this make it number 2?
Number 2. This was so popular when it came out.
She wanted to look beautiful. If Mama meets Jesus tonight.
Worst, I could cry just right now. This is music.
To the shepherd.
Name that song and the artist. Whitney. Do you remember where you were when you found out she died?
Whitney died a long time ago.
I'm just saying. Do you know where you were?
Talking about before she physically died. Whitney died a long time ago.
Oh no! What?
Number 1 song, top 60 Christmas songs of all time is Christmas Song.
The Christmas song. Although nobody knows that's what it's called. It's called Chestnuts Roasting. I'm so excited. Guys, this is so cool. Like, it just, you can't even do it justice on camera. It's just so cool. Santa's on his way. Showing strength. I think I'm the year of the dog. Something like that. Maybe I'm the year of the rooster.
Huh?
I'm trying to figure out which one I am. The dog, the rooster. I don't know.
Excuse me, can you? No.
Yeah, that's so cool. Look at the pandas.
Wow. That's so cute.
That's so cool.
Panda Land.
Canada Land.
So it is freezing here. I'm shocked that it didn't rain now. And we're gonna go look at the koi. Ah!